Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to learn hunting skills in Gothic 1 Remake. Learning hunting skills is extremely useful since it's the only way to harvest animal parts instead of just looting bodies for raw meat. To learn hunting skills, what you'll want to do is get a beer in exchange for some information. We have a video on the channel covering how to get a beer, so please make sure to check it out. After acquiring the beer, speak with Drax in this small camp just after making your way out of the mining valley. Go through his dialogue options until he asks for a beer in exchange for information. After a while, he'll unlock the option to learn 4 hunting skills. These hunting skills are essential since they allow you to harvest valuable animal parts. Additionally, learning remove teeth. Once you have enough ore is extremely important, as it's one of the few ways you can earn money quickly during the early parts of the game. And that's how to learn hunting skills in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.